Viblock is a two-component resin sustainable for eliminating noise and vibration from manhole covers and drains. Installation is quick and easy. Just clean the frame and inside the edges of the cover. Then insert the cartridge into the dedicated gun, remove the cap and tighten the disposable mixer. Apply Viblock along the edges of the frame, after discarding a small initial portion. The cap must be lubricated with grease to prevent it from sticking to the resin. Approximately 5 minutes after applying the product, the time it takes for the resin to start setting, place the cover back. Reopening the vehicle circulation will be possible after 40 minutes.